In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to switch to the front camera while recording a video on a Xiaomi 17. So let's open the camera. Of course, we're gonna switch to the video mode, and at first I'm gonna use the 8K resolution. Of course, in here on the right side, we have the button that allows us to switch to the front camera. And let's also check the highest resolution. So in this case, it is 4K 60 frames per second. So of course, most likely we cannot really use the 8K resolution and switch to the front camera, but let's give it a try. We're gonna start recording, and as you can see, the button that allows us to switch to the front camera is now gone. So now we're gonna use the 4K resolution. I'm gonna choose 60 frames per second as well. And in this case, the button is still there. So we can actually switch to the front camera quite easily, as you can see over here. So the answer is yes, although it is not really true for every resolution that we use. In the case of 8K resolution, we cannot really do so, but for example, in the case of 4K resolution and 60 frames per second, yes, we can switch to the front camera once we start recording using the rear camera. Leave a like and subscribe.